Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Dennis. Welcome to Patina Code. This is So You Want to Build an AD.
I'm cold right out, I'm done. Come on.
Hello, once again, everybody, and thank you for tuning in for this edition of So You Want to Build an AD, powered by LS Fabrication. And this is the final episode of the windlace install. Today, we're going to be going over getting the lower windlace and the windlace retainer strip installed here on Trench Coat. And as you all know by now, we are way further ahead. Well, hell, I'm in the damn shop jacket in the hood, right? It's wintertime now. That took place in the summer. We was in tank tops and sweating. We was in the sauna, man. It wasn't no joke. We got it done, though. Video coming up. It's going to show you. We got a lot of stuff happening on Trench Coat right now. I'm working in the back of the truck. We're putting in the bed floor tilt hinges from LS Fabrication. You're going to have to be tuned in, man, because we got a lot of cool shit happening. And you just got to keep watching. I appreciate everybody out there. Once again, I say that all the time because I truly do. I appreciate you guys out there supporting Patina Code and being a part of this and checking out these videos. And I'm just hoping that it's helping people. As a matter of fact, I know that it's helping people. I get a lot of comments and a lot of thank yous through the comments. I appreciate everybody out there that's subscribed to the channel and is being a part of this. And I'm just happy that what I'm doing is actually helping someone. That was my whole mission, my whole goal. I'm not trying to be anybody. I'm just a guy in a garage that just figured out how to do shit, right? And I'm sharing that with people so that maybe that would help them advance their project. All right, man, let's get to this video. For the final thing that we need to do, now that we have our windlace retainer down, it's in its secured spot. We have it where it's got the edging of the windlace from the A-pillar. And you want this right here on this corner, this last little bit of the corner. That's where you want your retainer. And then you need to get the back of your windlace that's on the B-pillar side. Back there, get it secured in its final resting place, and make sure, you know, like I said, that you have the retainer at the very corner of your floor. Next, we're going to put in the lower windlace strip. The rib side goes up and under, and how I do this is I get one side up, just pick a side, and you get it up under there where you think you want it to go. This is just a preliminary fitting because now we got to start the screw. The type of screws that I'm using is a metal tapping screw. They give you the metal screws to do this with, but I use a different sort of one. I'll show you here as soon as I get this ran down. Ah, shoot, look at that. I pulled it out. So let me show you the screw. It's just a metal tapping screw with a crazy little hex-like head on it. Self-tapper. And now we got to back this up because we didn't have the windlace underneath it good enough, which that's okay because now with that being there, you run that to the very corner of the truck, and the ribs, I like to have like 3 ribs left showing. So we got to get this underneath the windlace. There we go. And then get it up under there to where the retainer bites down on it and keeps it in place. Now,
You can run it down, but we don't want to lock it all the way down. Put some pressure on it, hold him still, because we are yet to make it all the way down the truck. Get it under there and get it as even as possible. So you gotta have one screw to start with. You can finagle with this as you get it going. It's important to just get it up under. And you basically want the end of the ribs to almost go to the back of the retainer, and then that'll leave you with, like I said, 3 little ribs showing. That's the idea, that it's supposed to go back there against the edging. So once you got it all set up, you're satisfied with it, it's when you begin putting the screws to it. This is probably the easiest part of the whole windlace deal. Try to catch it before it goes all the way down, because it puts pressure. You know, the more you tighten it down, the more pressure it exerts across the surface of it. And I'm having trouble here on the very end, so let me oh, maybe that's why I'm having trouble, because it wasn't down too tight. Well, I mean, heck, man, we've been through a battle. I don't have all my senses about me right now. It's hot. Let me lock this one on down and quit messing around. There. Now let's see what we got. Oh yeah, his ass is in there now. You ain't coming up out of that. All right, so we got to make sure we get everything even. That's the deal. You don't want it catawampus. Not in at least a bit. Okay, let's have a look at that. What do you think? I think we got it. Let's go ahead and put the other screw in here. Quit this piddling around. Last one. And our job is done. We finally have made it. That's it. Lower windlace retainer, the main windlace all around our cab. Looks pretty good. So this comes in black as well. It also comes in this gray tan, they call it. And the reason why I have the gray is because our interior for our seat cover is going to be gray. So I thought that it would look nice to have the gray and the gray, and I'm gonna run some gray floor mats. And then I wish that they made the seals for the windows gray, but they're not. They're only in black. So that's it, guys. I got to rub this down with some Gibbs brand, and that'll keep this from rusting, because it's just a raw steel. It's not the stainless steel. And then we'll be done. I'm gonna rub this down with my little cloth. I see right here, well, I got a little out of sorts here. Let's see if we can't get that back up in there before I get out of here. Well, I believe I can. Oh, shit, yeah. There we go. Now he's Now he's even with the rest, and he's playing ball. You don't want to play ball? I'll make you play ball. All right, quit clowning around so I can get out of here. There. That'll hold you. It ain't going nowhere. So the purpose of this is to where when the door closes, debris is gonna get up underneath the door. It's just the way it is. And this will block any weather from coming inside of the cab. This blocks all the wind noise and weather. And you're protected. The interior of your truck will stay clean and be a-okay. All right, guys, I appreciate you. Check me out on Instagram at patinacode. Check out LS Fabrication on patinacode. You can check them out on Instagram as well. And I appreciate you guys, man. This has been a fun build, and it's been cool doing it in front of all you guys. And thank you to everybody that's sent me shout outs and let me know that they appreciate these videos. And looking forward to me making more videos. So with all that said, I'll give you a sneak peek. We got one of our panels in here. One of those panels I talked about, the LS Fabrication closeout panels. That's all you need to see for now. We got to make an episode about it. I'm gonna get out of here, man. I've been clowning around, talking shit with you guys for a minute. And we got our truck done as far as the windlace, man. And I'm happy with that. And I'm ready to move on to the next step, man. It's just, like I said, it's been a fun build. We got a lot of stuff to do. Got a lot of wires to hide. They're hidden, but we got to get them tucked, trimmed, nipped, put it where they need to go. And everything else that comes with this. The next big thing to do, the biggest thing to do is going to be the doors. And then I think a big thing is putting in the windows. A lot of people don't know how they go about putting in the windows with the seals and whatnot. So I'm excited to show you guys that. And then work on the chassis, man, because we got the engine ready. We got a transmission. Just got to figure out some linkage so we can make it shift. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Stay with me.